A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to GK tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to do chapter Look at the Sky. See, this sky is full of different kind of bodies like celestial, meteoroid, comet, pole star, black hole. All these terms are related to universe. Oh my God, I know my dear students are very much surprised to listen all these terms because all these terms are very much new to you. So I have planned that I am going to explain all these terms with lots of example in detail. So let's have a look on all these terms.
So basically, what is asteroid? Asteroid is a small rocky body orbiting the sun. Okay, and these are as well as the planets also. They rotate around it. They are very much smaller than the planets, and in our solar system, there are thousands and thousands of asteroids. And you will be surprised to know that these asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter, and this zone is called asteroid belt. You can see it in the image that they are found between Mars and Jupiter. They have irregular shapes. Actually, there are no two identical asteroids. The main problem with asteroids is that some of them are potentially dangerous because they can come out of their orbit and hit against the earth, like the one which ended all dinosaurs. Okay, so this was all about asteroid. So basically, what is comet? A comet is a celestial object that is made of frozen ice, gas, and dust, and it orbits the sun. See, when the comet heats up, it spews dust and gas, forming a glowing tail. You can see it in the picture. How does it form a glowing tail? Now try to learn it, and such kind of glowing tail is made by comet. Now let's do next topic, that is meteoroids. So what are meteoroids? Meteoroids are fragments and space junk, and this space junk is created because of asteroids when they collide with each other. When these asteroids, comets and moons and planets, when they collide with each other, so this collision create meteoroids, and these meteoroids are among the smallest space rocks that orbits the sun. When a meteoroid passes through Earth's atmosphere, it heats up due to air resistance. The heat causes gas around the meteoroid to glow brightly, and this glowing meteoroid is called a meteor. You can see it in the picture.
Now, dear students, can you identify what is the name of this peak? What is this called? Yes, now you should be very much confident. It is a peak of asteroid. So write down the spellings very carefully in your GK books. So the spellings are right in front of you. Copy these spellings and write down using a pencil. Asteroids. Now, dear students, identify what is this. Yes, it is comet. It is a peak of comet. I have taken from your GK book. So write under this peak write down comet. So spellings here I'm going to share with you. So spellings are C-O-M-E-T, comet. Now dear students, identify this pic. This pic also has been taken from your GK book. You have to identify this pic and write down its name. Now, are you able to identify it? Yes. What is this called? It is known as meteoroid. So write down the spellings of meteoroid using a pencil in your books very carefully. The spellings are right in front of you. It is meteoroids, meteoroids. Now let's understand the concept of black hole. What is black hole?
Black hole is a place, and this place is found in space, where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. And the gravity is so strong because matter has been squeezed into a tiny space, and this can happen when a star is dying because no light can get out and people cannot see black holes. So these are some of the images of black holes that I'm going to share with you.
Now try to identify what image is this. Now are you able to identify? Yes, I know my students are aware of this, that this is an image of black hole. So write down in your books under this pic using a pencil, black hole. Clear? Now here is the next image in front of you. What is that image? This is an image of a pole star. Another name of pole star is a North Star, and it is the brightest star in the sky. So write down in your GK books, the name of this star is pole star using a pencil. Concept, that is nebula. What is basically a nebula? It is a very big cloud of dust and gas which occupies space, and this space is between stars and it acts as a nursery of new stars. Okay, and from where this word has come, it is basically a Latin word which means mist, vapor, fog, smoke, exhalation. Okay, and these nebulas are made up of dust, and the basic elements are hydrogen and other ionized gases. This is the pic of nebula in front of you. You recognize this pic. Okay, identify it and write down under this pic the name is nebula, and write down the spellings very carefully. Nebula, nebula. That's all, my dear students.